Well, yet another price hike by a paint company. I suppose this is something that we will see for a while now, given the fact that crude prices have been increasing. They are now beyond $72 per barrel, and that will have a ripple effect on the other crude derivatives as well. But the company that I'm talking about is Asian Paints, and they've announced a price hike of 1.5 to 2% as per Macquarie across its decorative segment business. So across the entry-level tractor is Spark brands, they've hiked prices by 3 rupees per litre, and for the premium Royale and Ultima brands, they've hiked prices by 6 rupees per litre. In fact, even in the relatively newer waterproofing segment, which I suppose is one segment that has helped paint companies stay afloat during, the coronavirus waves, during the ensuing lockdowns as well, where discretionary demand was obviously down to the bare minimum. The solution-oriented waterproofing business is something that has aided these companies, and analysts say that this is one, segment that does seem to show a lot of promise. Well, there as well, Asian Paints has taken a price hike, and according to Macquarie, this is a show of strength in the waterproofing business. The fact that Asian Paints did not really have to wait till they pass on the higher raw material cost impact to the waterproofing customers as well. This is a show of strength. Now remember that just last week the company had taken a 6 to 8% price increase in the wood finishing segment, and also in their overall decorative segment they had taken a 2.8% price hike on the 1st of May. Now the wood finishing segment is a very small contributor to Asian Paints overall sales, but nevertheless it is an indicator that, look, if a price hike has been taken in the wood finishing segment, then there will be a price hike coming in the decorative business as well, and that's what they've done. Moreover, this second price hike is broadly similar to the 2 to 3% price hike taken by Akzo India earlier in the start of June. Now, remember, the paint sector is quite oligopolistic in nature, and these market forms do tend to have a follow the leader or ape the peer kind of structure, especially when it comes to price increases or price cuts. When Asian Paints, the leader, of course, takes a price hike, then you usually see the others follow. But in this case, Akzo Nobel had already taken a 2 to 3% price hike. We had Mr. Rajagopalan say as well that yes, we've taken quite a large price hike because they look at quality, etc. Of course, so it looks like largely the second round of price hikes seem to be in line with their peers. Now, Macquarie says that yes, while this price increase does not result in a material pass-through of the input cost inflation, it suggests that Asian Paints is more than willing to use price increases to pass on input cost inflation, and dealers in fact expect Asian Paints to make further price increases in the coming months as well.